Characteristics of birds. Birds are warm blooded organisms, which means they keep their body temperature constant irrespective of the surroundings. The epidermis over most of the body of birds produces a covering of feathers. The feathers are of several kinds. The fluffy down feathers forms an insulating layer close to the skin. The contour feathers cover the body and give the bird its shape and coloration. And the large quill feathers on the wings are vital for flight. The hind limbs of birds have four toes. They also have claws. These claws are used for capturing the prey, scratching for seeds, running, perching, grasping, and climbing. Birds have scales on their legs and toes. The rest of the body is covered with feathers. Fertilization is internal in birds. Female lays hard-shelled eggs in a nest where they are incubated. The upper and lower jaws of birds are extended to form a beak. It is used for feeding in various ways, and there are different kinds of beaks.